Welcome to the COMET booth here at Semicon West. Delighted to be joined by Isabella Drolz, who's the VP of Product Marketing for the YXLON side of the business.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Okay, great. So I believe there's a little bit of a branding or a name change, should I say, taking place with YXLON. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Yes, sure, definitely. Yeah, we are changing our name on September 8th to from YXLON to COMET YXLON. And we are doing that for various reasons. But one thing that not many people know is that we've been part of the COMET group since 2007.
Yeah.
And especially in this industry that we are in, it's really important for our customers to know and understand that we are part of a bigger group and that we have a strong financial backbone and the people resources and the global footprint that our customers need in order to really do great business with us.
Right. Well, of course, COMET crosses both sides of the business, both the manufacturing side and also the semiconductor side as well. Why are you targeting more closely the semiconductor side?
Well, the semiconductor industry is a really interesting industry. They are always looking for and identifying problems and solving those problems, not only on the consumer side, like by reducing footprint and enhancing their performance, but also on the manufacturing front. So basically what they are doing is really close to what we are doing for them. And in advanced packaging, as we are headed in the semiconductor industry, we as COMET YXLON have identified that we can really bring added value for our customers in advanced packaging to increase yield and enhance performance and therefore reduce time and reduce material rejects and basically be more sustainable.
Right. Yeah. Well, geometries are certainly getting smaller, and it's becoming harder to see these things. But what do you think differentiates X-ray from the other forms of inspection?
Well, basically we have two forms of inspection, destructive and non-destructive. And if I look on the destructive one, we have, for example, SEM, which is really good in getting a detailed view of the specimen. But it's really expensive, it's timely, and of course the data analysis and the automation out of it is not as promising. And then we have the non-destructive part where also X-ray plays a role. Yeah. But for example, in the semi industry, you have a lot of optical inspection system, which are great because they are fast and you get good data analysis out of it. But if you want to look below and into the buried structures, you can identify that. And that's basically where X-ray comes in, where X-ray can define the sweet spot between getting the right detail of the image, but gathering the data in a speedily manner and also being repeatable and then doing automated data analysis.
Right, okay. But of course, it's also being used in FA labs and advanced packaging. What do you think it brings to that area, or these areas, should I say?
Well, in these areas, in advanced packaging, all boils down a little bit more to metrology. So we are looking on misplacement as in voids, in tilts, in shifting, non-wet failure analysis. And this is also where X-ray really can support and enhance the yield and enhance the performance in the manufacturing process.
Okay. So I believe that you're making a bigger move into the semiconductor business in terms of X-ray inspection equipment. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Yeah, actually this move is really already happening and occurring, and we are really privileged to be already working with leading advanced packaging companies together. And this is exactly what we are doing here. We really want to find the sweet spot. We want to become the inspection failure inspection tool of choice from an X-ray point of view in the semiconductor industry to really give our customers this sweet spot between having the best image possible in the shortest period of time and repeatable on an automated level.
Right. I mean, it's a completely different area of building an X-ray system for semiconductor inspection versus the the old SMT production, for example, and a lot more investment involved in that. So it's good to hear that you're working with a partner on it, because it's certainly a very capital-intensive business.
Yeah, definitely, and we're really privileged to really have leading customers in the industry supporting us and working together with us in really making that work, and we're really looking forward to the next chapter in semiconductor.
Good. Well, we're looking forward to the results. So,
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for telling us about it today, Isabella.
Thanks.